Alright, so we put in our plug. Make sure the road doesn't spill on us. Let's install this puppy. Okay, so now it's just a matter of lifting it up. Jack. Lining up the bolts and sliding it in, just like that. So now we gotta attach the nuts and tighten her up. Okay, now that we have it up here, you gotta remember the first thing you need to do is to slide that bracket over that one long extended bolt and throw that nut on there. Put on your vacuum hose and then put your plug back in, your sensor plug it back in. Now, the way you want to tighten it is to work your way from the top down. So you get something to support yourself back, push it up, and then tighten the nuts. And they're hand tight. Okay, now we need to install the shifter linkage. So remember, there's one that goes right onto the transfer case itself, and then to tighten the two that are on the transmission. Alright, remember to put Loctite on your bolts here, but now put the front drive shaft back on, and they're hand tight. And remember to line it up where you marked it with your chalk. Now that the front drive shaft is in, we need to put the rear one back on. Just slide it in like that. And then you go to the back. And remember where you made your mark. And line it up. Put Loctite on your bolts. And fasten with the clamp. All we need to do now is top it up with the remainder of our fluid. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to fire it up. And we're going to run it through the shifts in 4 high, low, and just 2-wheel drive, and let it run for about, I don't know, a couple minutes, and then we'll check the fluid level again. Yeah, they're both good. Okay, we ran it. All right, we ran it for a couple of minutes, and we're checking everything out. And beautiful, no leaks, all the gears work, fantastic. So now we're just going to have to wait until the rest of the truck is together to really give it a 4-wheel drive test. Alright, so everything's fine, so what we've done now is topped it up, and as soon as it starts to run out like this, you're full. So I'm going to put the screw back in. Okay, our next thing to do is to put the skid plate back on, but we're going to clean it up first to make sure that it stays protected. Alright. Okay, now we'll put the skid plate back on. That's tight, everybody. Is that tight? You push, pull, see if that's tight? That's tight, eh? How about that one? That one tight? Pull, pull on. Tight, eh? Okay. Alright, we're done.